Hi there, my name is Jessica Drossin, and today I'm going to walk you through this new product, the digital background called Enchanted Forest. And so I'm going to just first place my daughter. This is Vivi. I've already extracted her. I have a video on that if you want to see how, just some basics of how I do that. And now I can just place her on top of these layers, or I've included a JPEG with ping overlays. And I have multiple areas where she can be placed on these stairs. So we can place her a little higher. And as you can see, I'm making it so that where she falls in the depth of field, it's going to be pocketed. So the foreground is in one area and the background is another to help you with compositing. So sometimes I think the most difficult part of a composite are these feet. So I'm hopefully allowing you to have a little overlap with feet or anything that's below. If you want to have a person sitting, that's also possible here with some of these overlays to the top. So again, just she can sort of move through this space, and progressively we get higher up. Now obviously here it's starting to, she's further back in space, so I would need to resize her to make her smaller to fit into the perspective here. So let's just go ahead and quickly do that. She can sort of blend into the things that are relatively the same depth away from us. Now, I'm having a little bit of a perspective issue here simply because this is, we're looking now up. She's higher in the frame, and when I shot her, she was lower. So looking at how you shot the image is going to come into play here in terms of where they're going to best fit. But I've included a lot of variables, so you can place more in the center of the image and then further down below and in whatever area feels the best to you. I'm going to just quick light this little lantern, just do a really quick edit on it. I'm grabbing the Lightscaping instant overlays and using this little sparkly golden flare, and we're just going to resize it here. I'm changing the width to, let's see, just going to have the width and height be a little smaller here, and now I'm going to just place it right on top of this lantern, and that kind of gives the lantern a glowing effect. I'm going to create an extra layer here and call this glow, and now I'm just going to sample a little bit of this lantern color, and with a very soft brush in very low opacity, I'm just going to add a little bit of that same glow around Viv and just separate her out just a teeny bit from the background here. All right, well, I hope that's helpful for you. So again, it's the same digital background, one as a Photoshop file with these 4 different layers built in, depending on where you want your subject to fall in the layout. And there's also just a flat JPEG file with 4 ping overlays that you can place, like as was done in the yellow flower fields. This just has a few more options depending on where you want your subject to fall on the steps. All right, well, thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.